Hey, what's going on, YouTube? How are you? Hiker Dave here. Going for a little stroll and wanted to bring you guys along. Just about sundown. Really loud noise right there, right across the way. Right over here. Whoa. What the? Okay, this was just supposed to be a leisurely stroll. It's rather cold. It has been cold here the past 3 or 4 days. It's been hovering right around 20 during the day, and at night it gets real cold as soon as that sun goes in. I gotta go back and see if that came out on the audio. Don't want to dramatize anything, right? Actually, just wanted to make just a nice hiking video here for you guys to enjoy the woods with me. I have definitely had you guys down this trail before. Yeah, I think I overreacted on a couple of those sounds I heard. Let's go out onto this dock here. We'll get a nice view of the water. Let's just sit and listen and hear what we hear, shall we? This here is like just a sliver of land here. And then on the other side of it here, is water again. I wish I could get over to there. I'd love to just check that out. It's a beautiful sunset. How am I hearing? It's actually frustrating. It's a beautiful trail. That's beautiful. If you can see the purple in the sky back there. Beautiful. Wouldn't want to slip down there. It's cold. My hands are freezing. I don't mind hiking in the cold weather. It's not, as long as you dress properly, it's fine. What I do wish, I wish there was a foot of snow on the ground and I had my snowshoes on. Love hiking in the snow if I had my choice. That. That must have been a person. I would think, right? I saw something walking there. I don't know, I didn't see a lot of people here today. It's freezing. The sun is going down. Again, I wish there was a foot of snow on the ground. I love that. And of course, the snow is perfect for catching some tracks, maybe, right? So the first snow we get, you can be sure that I'm going to be out here, or anywhere really. I want to do some more hiking up north if I can. This winter, I'd like to do some more exploration of areas that I've never been before. I love that. And I like to take you guys with me going to these places I've never been. And that way you can see it for yourself right as I'm seeing it, I know it's just the woods. I don't have any Bigfoot proof in this video. So sorry for you people out there that insist I have no proof. Well, I don't have proof. So you can move along to the next video if you'd like, or the next channel. But for those of you who that enjoy taking a nice walk in the woods, I appreciate you clicking. And I'll definitely see you guys on the next one. Cold. Wow, look at that. A tree almost tied up in knots. That is cool. Wow. Oh, the light on my phone is on. Imagine that. Thank you for clicking, guys. I'll definitely see you on the next one.